is Chandler in chat?
Oh, is Chandler in chat? Oh, hey, Chandler.
Hi, Chandler.
Hey.
Chandler, when did you wrestle? Did you wrestle in high school? And 1 year in college? Yep, the college
Oh.
wrestling fucking checks out.
That's crazy how like 1 year of experience, especially when you're younger, is like has like so much kind of like effect.
I'm telling you, when we have a son, he will be going into wrestling. Absolutely will be going into wrestling. I don't care if it's 1 year or 2 years or 3 years or if it's in college. I'm telling you, anybody that does wrestling is just like leaps ahead of anybody else athletically for like the rest of their lives too. Yes. What?
Did I just hear you say we
Huh?
and when?
Oh, sorry. So when I was in college, I was a business major, so I tend to use we a lot.
To include everyone.
Yeah.
To make you feel
Right. Yes.
included.
So I want you to feel included. So when we have kids,
Right.
when we have a son, he will be doing wrestling.
Right. Wow.
Yeah.
Perfect.